Ladies and gents, hey Taola, welcome back to the Dr. Nose channel. Galega Magi KG, I hope you guys are doing good. For those who don't know me, like I said, I'm KG. I'm all the way from Bloemfontein in South Africa. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up and install a Microsoft Authenticator. Basically, it works like Google Authenticator for those that do have Google Authenticator. You want to know more about it? Well, just a brief summary of what a Microsoft Authenticator is. Microsoft Authenticator is an application that helps you add an additional security layer on your mobile applications, all right? Even your social platforms, all right? So basically it uses the method of 2FA, which is a two-factor authenticator. It notifies you when there's somebody that tries to hack or phish in your accounts, even your profiles on these social platforms. It's a very good application. Well, it utilizes, like I said, a 2FA, and how it works is that if any person from a different device tries to log in into your system, it will notify you, and then it's either you will approve or disapprove. Basically, have you seen how Gmail works, right? With Gmail, most of the time for you guys, when you log into a laptop or your mobile device, which is another device, you will have a pop-up message with a number, even if it's a 6, like they give you options, right? They will give you a 66, 14 and a 25, and then you will have to verify it on your mobile device, or you will have to refer to the laptop. Like for instance, let's say I'm trying to enter into my laptop to access my Gmail account. It will send me a notification on my mobile device to tell me that, hey, there's somebody that's trying to log into your account. That's basically what the Microsoft Authenticator can also do in terms of your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, as well as other accounts that you can refer to. And the nicest part about it is that you can also add your virtual card. When I say a virtual card, I'm referring to the card that you utilize to buy stuff online, especially for those with businesses. It's a very good application. Make sure that you install this application and watch this video. And remember, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section down below, as well as remember to subscribe for the new viewers and like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember, it's free. And I hope you will enjoy this video, and without wasting any time, let's dive in. Before you do, ladies and gents, first thing first, you will go to your Play Store app. On the search bar at the top, using your keyboard down there below, you'll type in Microsoft Authenticator, right? Once you've done so, you'll tap on your search key or the enter button on your keyboard. Then you will have a screen like mine, which lists two apps, which is a Google Authenticator as well as the Microsoft Authenticator. So with the Microsoft Authenticator, it has a white background, a key lock with blue color, as well as the impersonated icon in a light blue color. Tap on it, you will see that on your screen it will basically have the install button in green. Tap on it. Once it's installed, you will see a screen like mine with the uninstall option as well as the open button. All right, we'll tap on the open button. Once you've tapped on the open button, it will open up and allow you to register your fingerprints. All right, first thing first, you will need a Microsoft Outlook account. All right, so Outlook is an app as well developed by Microsoft, all right, which is an email system. Make sure that you register there. If you do not know how to do that, please look under my channel for an Outlook, how to register an Outlook account. All right, nice. Moving onward, you will see down there below we have the home button, which is stipulating authenticator. The next button to it is passwords, as well as payments and addresses. All right. Now with the home button, as you can see right there, we have 3 apps that have been added on the list, which is Microsoft Outlook account, ClearScore account, as well as Facebook. All right. So basically what happens is that when I log into one of the 3 applications that have been stipulated right here, I don't need to enter my username as well as my password. What I normally do is that I just put my finger on my biometric system. So make sure that you have this app. It's very easy and quite nice. All right. Then on the passwords, I have other accounts like my Instagram, members tools, as well as SARS and Woolworths app. Basically, when I tap on these applications, I don't need to put in my credentials like my username as well as my password. I just use my finger to actually get into these applications. All right. Sorry about that. Payments. Basically, you will be adding your cards, like your card number right there, your name of the card, the expiry month, as well as the expiry year, and the nickname, which you will provide for the card. And basically, we're talking about virtual cards, not a card that you always use there by the bank, ATM bank, to withdraw money. All right. This app will help you track if there is fraud being done against you. All right. So just make sure that you have this app. Let's say, for instance, somebody tries to buy something online on a commercial site with your credentials. You will get notified. And what this app uses a one-time PIN. If it's you, then you will need to verify using that specific password. Like for instance, let's go back to the authenticator. All right. I'll go to my Facebook. Let's say for instance, somebody tries to enter my Facebook account and he is in let's say for instance Madagascar for example, and I'm not in Madagascar. He's using his own device. It will notify me, and if it's me in Madagascar, then I will need to basically just type in this one-time password code. Or if ever I'm in Bloem in South Africa, I'm using another device, it will need me to enter that one-time passcode. All right. Without it, then it won't go ahead. It will notify me, like I said previously, when you refresh at the refresh button, it will notify you if there's anybody that tries to hack into your system. All right. So make sure that you did download this app. It's so amazing. All right. And right there it has the countdown time where it will change the password. These passwords are not the same. They differ from point to point. So yeah, let's go back. There at the address button we have my emails as well as my addresses. They are not displayed, I know, for security and protection reasons. I'm not going to display them, but when you press on the plus sign there at the bottom, you can easily add, then just tap there at the Nike button or the correct button. All right. Then go there by the 3 dots at the corner, right top corner. Let's click on settings. As you can see, if you need any help with anything, then you can tap on the help button as well as the send feedback. But let's look into the settings. At the settings, we have notifications, backup, security, as well as work or school. Then stay logged in to your Microsoft work or school account. logs as well as autofill. Now with autofills, of how they work, an autofill is basically, have you seen when you type in a password on a computer, right? There will be a pop-up screen where it says, do you need to save or you don't want to save? There's that save or never option, right? For instance, when you log into your Gmail account, when you click on save, this app automatically works like that system. It will generate that username and password and keep it safe for you, so that when you log in the next time, it will make sure that you do not have to use your, like, type in your username and your password. That's how an autofill works. All right, then you have the options of deactivating it, and like set as autofill provider, like the app itself. You have the option of disabling it, like it will be like this green, not green, pardon me for that, and even for tapping on that screen, it will basically help you in terms of not being able to activate that specific option, and you won't be saving, and you will automatically just fill in your username and your password. All right, pardon me for explaining so long, or trying to explain one thing so long. And then we have require biometric or PIN, and then you have import passwords. So with import passwords, you'll be importing passwords that you will be entering from your Google Chrome, all right, browser that you'll be utilizing. Then you will import them. Do not press on the export button, because it will be exporting your passwords, like they will be displayed, and hackers might be able to access that document, so do not use that option. I know you're very curious about autofill on more apps and sites. When you tap on that screen, you saw that it brought me to this screen, all right, or my phone. All right, basically what it does is that I'll be allowing other apps to actually, when I press on Authenticator and activate this button, it simply means that I'll be activating I will be allowing some of the apps to get access. Like I'll be allowing, pardon me, let me phrase it in the right way. I'll be allowing this app to draw any passwords that I enter from my mobile device. All right, so that's how it works. Let's say, for instance, for example, I'm trying to think. Let's say it's a study portal somewhere online. All right, it will draw those usernames and passwords to my mobile application. All right, and what will happen is that when I log into that system of student portal, I won't be necessarily needing to enter my username and password, because automatically the app will have saved or stored those usernames and password. That's how an autofill works. All right, logs, I'll be allowing the Microsoft to actually draw info and upgrade the system using my my logs. All right, like my what can I call it, non-personally identifiable usage of data. Okay, like it says right there. And then stay logged in to your Microsoft work or school account. Then it's another option, work as well as school again. Then with the capture, if I deactivate that button, then it simply means I won't be able to record any of this or take screenshots of this app, which I recommend, because with banks it's the same. If you're utilizing Capitec Bank, Standard Bank as well as FNB, Kore, all these apps, then you will know that this option is there, right? App lock, basically, when the application is locked, would I be able to receive the notifications from this app? Yes. All right, if I activated it, and if no, then it will mean that I need to always come back and check. Backing up, it backs up every single data that is stored within the app. All right. Then lastly, it's the notifications. We know how notifications work, right? Self-explanatory. So ladies and gents, that's about it. If you have any more questions about this app, please do comment down below utilizing the comment section, and I'll be able to assist in whatever way that I can. All right, and make sure you share these videos with your friends. All right. If you need to add an account, make sure you press that, remember that, and you can add your Instagram, your Gmail account, and any other accounts or apps that needs your username and passwords to make it more easier. You rearrange, you turn on and off your optimization. Remember those as well. If you have any questions, please do ask by using the comment section down below. I'll be glad to help. All right, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Adios.